How's it going, everybody? It's Sean here, and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Adidas Ultra Boost 1.0 in the navy multicolor colorway. Today's video is sponsored by Rose Gold and Black, and if you haven't heard of them by now, stick around till the end of this review. First off, I just want to give a quick thank you to Adidas Canada, so they sent me over this pair last week. These guys released for a price of $200 US or $270 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is Collegiate Navy, Vivid Red, and Multicolor. So recently, Adidas has been bringing back from the archives original colorways of the Ultra Boost 1.0. So the 1.0, of course, refers to the first generation of the Ultra Boost model. The 1.0s featured a very specific and very unique knit pattern, and it's commonly considered the best of the 4 generations of Ultra Boost models. So these navy multicolors are a slightly modified version of the original Chinese New Year 1.0 Ultra Boost. Those guys were released originally back in 2016, and then fast forward 2.5 years later, and here we have them pretty much true to the OG form. So first things first, the knit of these Ultra Boosts is done in this 1.0 fashion. The majority of this prime knit, which is very stretchy and very flexible, is done in this very nice navy color. Wrapping around the edge of the toe box, here we have my favorite part about this shoe, this hit of multicolor knit. Covering the midfoot of both the lateral side as well as the medial side, here we have your signature Ultra Boost cage. This is done in the same tonal navy colored fashion. As for the tongue, so the tongue is connected to the rest of the shoe, creating this very nice one-piece booty-like fit. At the very top, however, unlike the original Chinese New Year 1.0s, where in that case they had a special edition tag, for these guys here instead all we have is a standard hit of 3M with the Adidas logo in the middle. The laces in this case is your standard flat style lace in navy. Wrapping around both sides of the back of the heel, here we have this heel cup, which has the Ultra Boost branding done in a combination of silver and gold. The inside liner of this shoe is constructed using this red colored textile, and then moving into the insole, so this is just your standard black colored Ultra Boost insole. In the heel, we have this Boost branding done in this bubble-like fashion. So the upper of these navy multicolor Ultra Boosts sits atop this full-length white colored Boost midsole. Turning these over to the bottom, here we have your standard Ultra Boost outsole, so this is primarily constructed using black colored Continental rubber. In the middle, we have this torsion system bar, which gives you added rigidity across the midfoot. From a sizing standpoint, so the Ultra Boost 1.0 does fit a little bit more on the snug side. Compared to later generations like the 3.0 and the 4.0, these ones definitely do fit a half a size smaller. So in my case, my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and the 1.0s fit me perfectly in a size 10.5. So if you guys have only worn Ultra Boost 3.0s or 4.0s, I'd recommend going up a half size from the size that you normally get. Comfort-wise, so nothing really needs to be said by this point, the Ultra Boost is and continues to be one of the more comfortable shoes on the market. With this full-length Boost midsole, these guys right here are still very, very comfortable, and combining this plush midsole with this very flexible and very breathable upper, these are still definitely right up there at the top of my list. So with all that being said, let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these guys look on feet. Personally, I'm happy that Adidas is bringing back these old classic colorways, and in the case for these navy multicolors, I appreciate the fact that they made some subtle changes so that people that own the original Chinese New Year 1.0s still feel like they own something special. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these navy multicolor Ultra Boost LTD 1.0s. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Before I sign out, one final thank you goes out to Adidas Canada. Thank you guys so much for always supporting and showing love. One final thing is I want to shout out the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. They are an Australian-based men's accessory and jewelry company. For today's video, I'm rocking the Tiger Eye red bead bracelet. If you click down on the link below, you'll be able to get this one as well as some of my other favorites for a special discounted price for my viewers. So definitely check them out, guys, and show them some love when you can. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next one.